First, we take cleaned and washed prawns. Then, take a prawn and slit its upper side and remove the food pipe. Note that cleaning your prawn is an important step, so please do not skip. Next, cut open the prawn through the middle so that it resembles a butterfly. Then, with a blunt side of a heavy knife, tenderize and spread it open so that the marinade can soak in evenly. Do the same with the rest of the prawns. Now take half teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to your preference, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger paste, half teaspoon of garlic paste, and 1 small onion roughly chopped. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Now mix all the ingredients with the prawns carefully on both sides. Marinate for 10 minutes. Now for the coating, put an egg in a bowl and breadcrumbs on another plate. Add salt to the egg and whisk it till the egg becomes homogeneous. Next, take the marinated prawns individually, coat it in breadcrumbs and keep it aside. Do this step with the rest of the marinated prawns. Then, preferably using the other hand, take coated prawns, dip them in egg mixture and coat them in breadcrumbs again. Do the same step with the rest of the prawns. After this, you can keep these in an airtight container in the freezer for up to a week or fry them immediately. Next, we take vegetable oil in a kadai and heat it. Holding the tail of the prawn, we will gently and carefully dip it in the hot oil. The tail will tend to protrude out of the oil, so make sure to firmly hold it under the oil using the spatula so it cooks evenly. Each side will take a maximum of 15 seconds to cook, so turn and cook accordingly on both sides. Once the desired color is reached, drain most of the oil in the pan and take it off. Do this step with rest of the prawns.